Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. You guys have already seen a nail video since we moved, and I have my new nail setup, but you haven't actually got to see the whole nail setup itself. So I'm gonna give you guys a nail desk tour. Okay, so here is my nail desk. It is in our dining room, and I have a wonderful view of the birds, which is great. Next to the desk, I have this cart. I recently have started taking my nail stuff a little bit more seriously, and I bought myself some disposable gloves and disposable masks for when I'm actually doing my nails. That way I am more protected from the gel polish and all of the toxins that are in gel polish. These right here are actually color books that I got off of Amazon. This is what they look like. It's just basically just all of my gel polish colors. I only bought 2 books. I haven't filled this one completely yet, so I still have room for plenty more colors that I get. And I will link a bunch of the stuff down below. Everything that I can, I will link down below for you guys if you're interested, including the gloves and masks because they are both pink. Very cutesy, very demure. This stuff is slightly less important. We have my brushes, some of my nail tools, nail polish remover, acetone, and some swatch wheels. There's also more swatches and stuff down here, but it's honestly kind of just a pile of junk down here, if I'm being honest. On the desk itself, I do have a plant right here that I got from Lowe's. I think I got that from Lowe's. I'm trying to make it live. I'm doing my best. My mom got me this little apothecary jar, and I put my cotton balls and my whatever you call these things, the nail clips, so that you can remove your polish when you put acetone on it. I have my Dancing with Jesus that my sister got me. Love him. He's wonderful. My mirror. Say hi. I got this mirror from Dollar General, and yes, I am sat in front of a door. We don't need this door to go outside, and even though we did move into a house, it's actually been extremely hard to find a spot for like our desks. Our desks take up a lot of room, so Alex's is in the living room and mine is in the dining room. I got this, I think, from Five Below, and it just holds all of my basic nail tools: cuticle pusher, cuticle trimmer, fake nail clippers. And then I have this, which I got for my birthday. It's like suctioned to the table, and it just holds a polish bottle. Also, I'm doing this, and my nails are looking rough. But like, they're 2 weeks grown out today, and I'm not redoing my nails yet because I'm gonna do Beetlejuice nails for the new Beetlejuice movie. So I'm waiting. This is my nail lamp. It's obviously not plugged in. It's really nasty. It needs cleaned pretty bad, actually. Oh my God! Jump scare. But this is my Beatles nail lamp. It holds a phone right here, and I often put my phone there and like watch shows and stuff. This is a coaster that I made, that I crocheted. My nail oil. This is such good nail oil. It's like halfway gone, probably. It's lasted me a really long time, and it's really affordable. Highly recommend. Now we're getting into the fun stuff. This is my Hollow Taco collection. They fit so nicely in this little container, and I like having them on display, even though I actually don't use my Hollow Taco very often because I do typically use gel polish. It's really nice. Like, I don't know, it's nice looking at them. They're very pretty to look at. Now for the drawers. The first drawer is like everyday nail prep stuff. It's a little bit of a mess. That's something I'm giving to my friend Hannah. I've got my gloves, all of my files and stuff right here. My electronic file stuff is right here, as well as the nail liquid for the polygel. My polygels are right here. These are extras of my base coats and top coats. Then I have my cuticle remover, my Nail Aid keratin polish. You guys know how much I love this, and I just think it's the best thing ever. I ran out of my favorite nail glue, and I had to get this, which is literally just super glue. It's just super glue. It dries way too fast. It's awful. I hate it so much. I just ordered the Beatles nail glue, like the non-gel nail glue, because this has literally gotten all over everything. Look at this. It's all over everything, and it's awful. I swear it smells and looks just like super glue. It is just super glue. Right here are some polishes that I'm leaving out because I'm getting ready to do something with them for the Beetlejuice nails. So all that is staying right there. The second drawer is much more fun. This is all of my jewels, gems, nail art, decals, all of that fun stuff. I just got a couple of new ones for like Halloween. And then we have a bunch of like floral ones. I have this whole bag full of ones. These are some of my more used down here. Like I have a ton of nail art decals. I often like to do hand-drawn nail art, but sometimes, you know, sometimes I just can't draw stuff. So I have a ton of that stuff. I have a ton of gems. Right here is my chrome stuff, my chrome powders. I just got these, which is actually something I have on my nail right now, and these are beautiful. These like glitters. It goes all the way to the back with gems, butterflies, all sorts of things. It's so much fun. It's probably my favorite drawer. Then we have polishes. Right here are all my smaller gel art polishes. And then we have pinks, purples, blues, and greens are all in this drawer, as well as in the back is all of my normal nail polish, which is what I use on my toes. I stopped using gel polish on my toes a while ago because it's really hard for me to paint my toes, and I knew that I definitely had to be curing gel polish all over my feet. So I decided to fully stop doing gel polish on my toes because it was too risky. I can control it easily on my hands, but I can't see my feet very well when I'm painting them. So I decided normal polish was a lot better. This drawer does not have near as much in it. It has my yellows, oranges, corals, reds, browns, but I don't have as much of those colors. It also has my bigger bottles of gel art polish, as well as some jelly polishes, which again, I don't have that much of, so not a lot going on there. Ah, a hand. No, I'm just kidding. I did buy one of those fake hands. It is a little creepy, but I was having quite a bit of fun with it. This right here is what it goes on. And then you can like, although my desk is a little big, like it is quite a reach. I do wish this was a little bit longer, and it doesn't get any longer. It's just here. So I may need to put it on this end of my desk and then work with it. But yeah, it is a little creepy, but it was actually quite helpful for testing out some new things. I do want to get back into using it. I haven't used it in a while, but yeah, that just sits down here. This is kind of my extras and just random bits and bobs. These are cloths that I use to remove my toenail polish. All of my extra cotton balls. My Dremel stays down here. It just kind of chills. It's usually right there. With my extra nail lamps. I have a couple of extra nail lamps. Some alcohol wipes. Some fake nail tips. I mostly am going to be using these for the fake hand. I also have all of my Beetles Gel X tips, which I do not do Gel X anymore. These nails are what's actually made for the hand. And then I have an extra of the Polygel liquid. And all of this here is for those nail books. That's all the extra pieces to the nail books. And then some nails here in the corner. I also have a bunch of old nail designs that I wrote down like while I was at work. This is one I never did. I probably should still do it. It looks like fun. This one was really, really pretty. If I can find a picture, I'll put it up there. So yeah, that's my nail desk. A little bit of a mess, but I currently just have my tablet sitting here, just like, I don't have anywhere else to put it, so that's where it's at. But the final part of my nail desk is my chair. This is the chair that I sit in all the time. It's a very nice chair. Alex got this for me for my birthday a couple of years ago. I love it. It's so comfortable. It's very easy just to sit here like all the time and do my nails for hours, because it usually does take hours. Underneath right here is my footstool. It's just like a squishy little stool, and I put my feet on that when I'm doing my nails because I'm short, and in my old desk I actually couldn't even touch the ground in this chair without it. I can now because my chair can sit in a different position with this new desk. But that is my nail desk and my new phone case. This is a velvet caviar case, of course, and I just got this little ice cream pop fidget thing. Very cute. I love it. And my Beetlejuice velvet caviar case should be coming today. So I'm not sure if this is something that anyone wanted to see, but I love my nail setup. I'm so happy that I can have a desk that is just basically all for my nails. I mean, I put my computer here and I have this for my computer, but I do put my computer here and I edit my videos here. It's not like it's just nails, but most of the time when I'm sitting here, it's because I'm spending hours on my nails. And yeah, I couldn't be happier about that. I love sitting here, and like I said, I have a wonderful view of my birds. It's nice and plenty of daylight for me to do my nails, which is wonderful. You definitely need like natural lighting when doing your nails. It's very, very helpful to have lots of natural lighting. But do not put your nails in the direct sunlight or your gel polish in the direct sunlight. I, just figured out the other day that can cure gel polish, which makes a lot of sense because it's UV lights, UV rays, like that makes a whole lot of sense. But I genuinely never thought about it until my polish was cured and I ruined an entire bottle of top coat because I kept trying to use it while holding my nails in the sun. Don't do that. But if you're watching this, that means you're probably interested in doing your nails at home or already doing your nails at home. And I just highly recommend research. Do your research. Be very careful and make sure you're getting good products. I know a lot of people say that Beetle's gel polish isn't good. But I know there are professionals out there that use it and don't have a problem with it. It really is a lot of the times user error. I think we're coming up on 5 years of me doing my nails myself, and I have not had any problems yet, but I will promise you the second I seem to be having a reaction, I will stop doing my nails myself. And I've seen some people that are able to go back to it a few months later, maybe using some different products, and some people that can't ever go back to it. I hope that never happens because I would be very upset if I couldn't do my nails anymore. But I am trying to, be smarter and just be smarter. I'm just trying to be smarter and, hopefully learn a lesson from other people's mistakes and not end up with a reaction to my gel polish because I love doing my nails. It's become such a fun pastime for me and I can't imagine not being able to do it. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate that. The desk is from IKEA. I forgot to say that. I had it delivered to my house from IKEA, which was the most tragic thing I ever could have chose to do because clearly the box it came in came apart, and so they delivered everything in like pieces. This right here are scrapes that I painted. The top of the desk was literally delivered in plastic wrap, and that was it. Just one little layer of plastic wrap. There's a scrape on the side of the desk. There's dents in like the back of the desk. It's fine. It's all fine. Oh, there's a dent in the front of the desk too. Yep, right there. And I should have had it sent back. I should have had them pick it up or refund me or something. I definitely should have. I was frustrated and I didn't, and I do regret that because this desk is not cheap. It was not cheap. I post new videos every single week, usually on Wednesdays or Thursdays, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!